Oh wow, look at that. You can see how bright it is. It really brightens up my workbench here. I have my table saw down here that doubles as a workbench. And so now I got this really bright light over it. I've been wanting to upgrade the lighting in my workshop for a while now. I have this old-fashioned clip-on light up here. I have it on this post that I put over my workbench. So luckily I got this LED shop light sent to me to make a video about. The nice thing about this LED shop light is it's also got a clip on the top here that you can screw in. So you can screw in this clip right here, and then I can take the chain here and I can put this over the post that I put over my workbench area. So I'm going to go ahead and screw this in real quick. It's just got this little screw on the back here, and then that just screws into here. And just get that screwed in there, and then I can clip it up to my workbench with this little clip here. I'm just going to clip it to this post that I have here. I ran this post over my workbench here. And then I can run the cord over there to the plug. Oh wow, look at that. You can see how bright it is. It really brightens up my workbench here. I have my table saw down here that doubles as a workbench. And so now I got this really bright light over it. I just got it running over here to this power strip here. You will need to have a switch for it. I can just turn the light on and off with my switch here. It doesn't have a switch on it, so you might need to wire this to a switch or plug it into a breaker here that you can turn on and off. So yeah, you can see there's the cord, the plug. It's got the nice chain on it, and it's really bright too. Yeah, this is a great way to put some light into your workshop. So there's all the LEDs in there. You can see it's got a lot of LEDs there. It does get a little bit hot though. It's kind of warm to the touch there after running. All right, there it is. There's the LED shop light. Yeah, this is a great light to put over your workbench or over your table saw like I did. And if you use your table saw and your workbench as a combo, this is a great light to put above it, because then you got all kinds of light over here so you can see what you're doing. So yeah, this is a pretty nice light.